Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely the biggest volume this chart has had for a while, especially this afternoon. That's essentially the final hour of the day is when the majority of the volume came in. But anyway, look at it, definitely nice movement. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 32.5. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 32.5, I'm not saying the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 32.5, that would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing complicated here other than the fact that the party today stopped up there at the 37-cent mark. So 37 will be public enemy number one going into Wednesday and then the remainder of the week. But anyway, you look at it, very nice movement today. And as long as the price now begins to chip away and build higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and building higher lows, and sit back and let's see if this thing can start to build a longer-term trend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.